Welcome back to another RPM video. Today Matt's going to be finishing up the blue Procharged Camaro. Eric's doing the finishing touches on the Procharged SS. Kyle's going to do a clutch, and Fran is going to tune a ZL1. Morning, fellas. How's it going?
It's going.
All right.
Yeah, it's going, Jeb.
Drug off the side of a cliff.
Oh yeah.
Just because I did.
Yeah. What?
I said I forgot.
Is he okay?
Is he ever on a Friday?
That's a good point, but
No, I wish I had an extra solid bracket.
it's quality internet meme. Those are your favorites, huh? Look at that.
Don't you worry about my favorite is.
A little upset. Oh.
I just said I'm having a fantastic Friday.
Yeah, me too.
Good.
I could bring my desktop in.
Kyle, you having a good Friday? Yeah.
He'll let me know in like 5 minutes. It depends on how well that clutch goes in, huh? How easily that. All right.
Lower it down gently.
Gently.
A little bit at a time.
All right. I'm gonna wait for you. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that's not gently. All right, keep it there for a second.
I just pressed the lever on it. I'm not quite sure how to do it gently.
Gotta firmly grasp it. You know what that's from? I swear to God, if you don't know where firmly grasp it's from, you just had a really shitty childhood. That's just the way it is.
I guess.
Oh my God. Ever hear a show called SpongeBob?
Yeah. Didn't watch it a lot though.
Who are you?
I don't know. I ask myself the same question every time I get up in the morning.
God. Here's something else.
Yeah. Some would say.
I'll try to wedge that up in there so it's out of my way. Here.
Burrito.
Jebediah what?
Burrito.
That's a new one.
Worried.
Oh, Warito. Okay, I see what you did there.
I'm glad you did.
Yeah.
You are Burrito. Jebediah Burrito.
You just finishing up the meth system and stuff right now?
Yeah, certainly am.
That's good.
Yeah, it's great.
Everybody loves meth.
I like meth.
Yeah. Just one of those things, you know?
Yeah, we know. You're into that kind of thing.
Yeah.
We all know.
10 out of 10. Do not recommend.
No?
No.
You up too much when you did it?
I cannot speak from experience, so I don't know.
You sure about that? That's what you told me yesterday.
Yeah.
You were telling me yesterday you were down.
I don't recall, but
I remember you asking me if I knew where to get any.
oh, shit. Caught me red-handed.
Hey, man.
some other mods, I think. I don't remember the ones that went with it, but there were a couple other things on top of that. Do you happen to remember?
We did a flex fuel kit,
Okay.
ported blower, 2-3 pulley, and a 103 throttle body.
Okay, I was gonna say pulley, but I didn't want to be like, I didn't want to say the wrong pulley number, you know?
Well, I mean, I don't know the exact pulley number either. Generally, whenever they get a ported blower, if they don't have a pulley on it already, they'll get a hub and a pulley and all that shit.
Gotcha.
And a throttle body and all that shit to go with. Very rarely will we do a ported blower with like stock throttle body.
Alright, well, let's see, you got any ideas on what you think this is gonna do, or? Nah.
I mean, it's basically like my V
Yeah.
with a ported blower. I mean, in reality. I don't know. We're doing flex and shit on this too. It'll probably make maybe 700 on E. 660-ish on pump is my guess. I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll find out, yeah. First pull, 607, and about 15.5 pounds of this. Now we're going to put some E in it and do some pulls on E.
You need to do a cam, not necessarily just for power, for more fuel.
Yeah.
This thing's running out.
So like, normally running like 60% is no problem in most cars that are
Well,
set for it.
It all depends. I mean, if it has a cam, then no, because it'll have the fuel from the bigger lobe on the cam.
Yeah.
This way, you don't know how these engines work yet, but once you do, you'll understand.
What, the cam just means it opens it longer, right? So
Well,
that's what
the fuel pump is driven off the cam in these.
Okay.
So, like, it's the high side fuel pump. There's a low side fuel pump, which feeds the high side. The high side is driven off the cam. Basically, so when you do an aftermarket cam, you get a bigger fuel pump lobe on the back of the cam, which the fuel pump rides on. So the bigger lobe basically like pumps the cam faster, which gives it more pressure, more volume for the high side fuel injectors. And with a stock lobe, it can't supply enough fuel. So it was fine at 40% when we were just at that, but jumping up to 60 now, it's the high side's dropping like big time. So we might have to put some pump gas in this thing and bring it back down to like 45, and that may be the most you'd be able to run. we got that. We got it down to 52% from like whatever it was, 60 or something, and it, obviously it's better, but still not enough. I need to. Can you put like 2 more gallons in?
Yeah.
Of 93.
It's 93. Close to the 40 now, or
45.
45? Getting there. I like that a little better than the last one.
Yeah, it still made more when it had 40% in it though.
Yeah?
Yeah, because the fueling shit was all good. Now it's all out of whack. It's losing high side pressure, so that's why that graph is like, one graph is like wavy like that. That's all it's gonna make.
Okay.
Trans.
Do a couple trans. Yeah, I'll take a gander. See your handiwork.
They look even, symmetrical,
From back here.
pointing the same way, looking the same way, in the same amount.
From here it looks good.
I think they're pretty good.
Let's see, this side it's about hanger's angled a little bit backwards.
Why is that laying on that now?
This
I just
one
pushed the exhaust way up.
looks about the same, yeah. That was it. What? On what? Is it land on this thing? Oh yeah. Let's get a. I saw you got all the, well, not all of it, but you got the mufflers back in and you're bolting everything back together when we were dynoing that one car.
Yes,
That's
I
nice.
was.
That's
Yes,
good.
I was.
You got a header back in.
Well, I never took that header out.
Yeah, that one doesn't have to come out,
That
correct?
was just dangling.
Is that
That was just in my way the whole time.
that's what you do on most of them, right? You only have to take out one.
Yeah, when they're American racing headers, you only have to take out one of them. So the easiest one to take out is the driver's side.
So what you're saying is American racing headers are better.
I prefer them.
Yeah, because
If
you
I'm
don't have to
working,
take
if
out.
I'm working on it and putting it in, yeah.
Yeah,
Hate this Texas speed nonsense.
yeah. Well, we order some stuff from them a lot, so
What?
we order stuff from
Well,
them.
Cams and motors.
Push
that's it.
rods.
Their
stuff.
exhaust is cheap bullshit. But it's better than that Billy Boat system. That was just asinine.
Is that one of the cheaper ones?
I don't know how much it cost.
What's it called? Billy Boat?
Yeah,
I'm gonna Google it real fast.
it was a whole system. It was ass. It's worse than this.
I knew you were gonna do that.
Back myself up.
Maybe you should wear that next time you go out for some extracurricular activities.
That's probably not a bad idea.
Because then when somebody goes to punch you in the face at the bar, you got a little Little protection. Is this just
Remember, I wasn't the one that everyone said was on their period.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. It's got a new Camaro in. And I don't know what's going on with it, so I'm sure the people would like to hear as well.
This vehicle here?
Yeah.
Well, before you started, this car got dropped off for stage 5. And it was in a fender bender or something, had some front end damage. And once I started taking it apart, it all looked cosmetic, but the radiator, everything was all pushed in the front. So, you know, we got with the guy and decided the best bet was to send it to the body shop before it came to us, because obviously I have to take it all back apart and everything was busted. So anyways, finally got it back in the body shop yesterday, so we're gonna jump right in. Stage 5, piston, rod, Procharger, cam, fuel system, meth,
Nice.
P3 gauge.
And right now looks like all he has is an intake on it at the moment. That's a pretty big upgrade. No headers or anything?
Nope.
Just plain old manifolds on there. That's going from like 0 to 100 real quick on that one.
Well, we're gonna more than double the horsepower, so
Yeah.
it's always fun. It's fun times.
Coming up in some of our feature videos, Matt's going to be working on the Stage 5 Camaro. The Chevy SS should be getting tuned shortly, and the Stage 4 Camaro as well.